Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for Valentine's Day. Let's get started.
I start out by frosting a 4-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I put some buttercream in piping bags, white with a half round half star tip, and red and pink with petal tips. I used the red and pink buttercream to pipe some hearts or a few flower petals around the bottom of the cake, however you want to interpret it. Then I piped a large rose on top of the cake. If you need a tutorial on how to pipe a buttercream rose, see the link in the card. Then I piped a couple of red flowers, and I added a few stars of white. Then I piped some pink and red rosebuds on a flower nail and transferred them to the cake with a pair of scissors. Then I piped a rope border along one side of the cake and a shell border along the other side of the cake. I love how this cake turned out. It's lovely and elegant and covered in flowers. I think it looks very pretty. Happy Valentine's Day! For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.